How to get verified on Coverstar to go live in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how live access on Coverstar actually works so you can unlock live streaming without guessing, missing requirements, or waiting blindly. If you want to go live on Coverstar as soon as possible, this explains exactly what matters and what does not. Start by opening the Coverstar app and logging into your account. Tap your profile icon to open your account page. Before anything else, make sure your profile looks complete. Add a clear profile photo, write a short bio, and verify your email or phone number if the app asks for it. While this does not guarantee live access, incomplete profiles are often restricted from advanced features like live streaming. Next, understand how verification works on Coverstar. Unlike some platforms, Coverstar does not always have a manual apply for verification button for live streaming. In most cases, live access is unlocked automatically once your account meets certain activity and trust requirements. This usually includes following community rules, having no recent violations, and using the app normally instead of creating a brand new inactive account. Spend time posting content, interacting naturally, and staying within guidelines. Accounts that show consistent, safe activity are more likely to unlock the live feature. Avoid spam behavior, repeated reposts, or anything that could trigger restrictions, as this can delay access. Check your posting screen regularly. When live streaming becomes available, you will see a live option appear when creating a post. There is no separate confirmation message in many cases, so the appearance of the live button is your signal that your account is approved for live use. If your account does not have live access yet, keep using the app normally and check back later. Some accounts are enabled gradually, and timing can vary depending on activity history and region. Creating multiple accounts or trying to force verification does not speed this up and can actually slow it down. Once live access appears, tap the live option to start your stream. Before going live, make sure your internet connection is stable and follow Coverstar's live rules carefully. Violations during live streams can result in losing live access even if it was already unlocked. By following this process, you give yourself the most realistic and reliable path to going live on Coverstar. There's no shortcut or hidden trick, but a complete profile, clean activity, and patience are what actually work. This way, when live streaming becomes available, you are ready to use it immediately and without issues.